Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi on a low budget. Start with the most cost-effective ingredients. Napa cabbage is your foundation, and you'll need about 2 to 3 pounds. Instead of pricey gochugaru, a blend of paprika and a tiny bit of cayenne pepper works wonders for color and heat. Don't forget your essential aromatics, garlic, ginger, and green onions, which are usually quite affordable. For fermentation, a clean, repurposed glass jar or plastic container is perfect, saving you money on specialized equipment. Next, prepare your cabbage. Cut it into 2-inch pieces or quarters depending on your preference to make it easier to handle and ferment. For brining, use about 1/4 cup of salt for every 2 pounds of cabbage. Let it sit for approximately 2 hours. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly at least 3 times to wash away excess salt. Then, squeeze out as much water as you can. This step is crucial for a crisp kimchi. Now, let's create that delicious kimchi paste. Blend 1 whole head of garlic, a 2-inch piece of ginger, and 1 medium onion until smooth. For the spice, combine 2 tablespoons of paprika with 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 cup of fish sauce or soy sauce for umami. Finally, mix in your sliced green onions and shredded carrots. These add wonderful texture and freshness to your kimchi. It's time to bring it all together. Wear gloves and thoroughly mix the prepared cabbage with your flavorful paste. Ensure every piece of cabbage is coated. Pack the mixture tightly into your clean fermentation container, leaving about 1 inch of headspace for expansion. Let it ferment at room temperature for 2 to 5 days, tasting daily. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, transfer it to the refrigerator, where it will continue to develop flavor for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.